Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding the button until you see the XIAOMI logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait. And after the watch turns on, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it. Okay, and once you select the language, you will need to download and install the Mi Fitness application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection on that phone and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store, tap on search and type in Mi Fitness. Then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Mi Fitness. Tap on the install button to install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on start, check the first box, and then tap on agree. Here we need to select the region, so tap right here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap next. Now you should see the health page in the app. Tap on the device icon and tap on add device. Tap on agree, and allow the required permission. The app should start searching for the nearby devices, and as you can see, it detected our watch, so tap on it to select it. And if it asks you to log in, you will need to log in, so tap on sign in. Check this box, enter the email address and password to log in. And of course, if you don't have an account, you can always tap on button right here, create account, to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna log in. No, apparently I entered the password wrong, so give me a second. Okay, let's try now. Okay, this time it went in, and as you can see, it put us back to the add screen, and we can select our watch again. Tap on the check mark on our watch. Tap on the pair on the phone. Here tap on next, done. And right here we have basically permissions for the notifications. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to select one of the options here and then tap on set. Sync all notifications option basically enables notifications for every application on your phone. So notifications from all of the apps on your phone will be directed to your watch. Select notifications option allows you to select specific apps. For example, you want to receive the notifications on your watch only from, like, say 2 or 3 apps. You can allows you to do that. And if you don't want to enable the notifications, you can tap on dismiss if you want to skip this step. If you want to enable the notifications, select one of the options, tap on set. Then tap on set, it will redirect you to this page. Here scroll down, find the Mi Fitness, tap on it. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, then go back. Next we have the contact and calls. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications about incoming calls on your watch, you need to enable some permissions or allow some permissions. If you don't care, you can tap on dismiss. And if you want to use this feature, tap on set, tap on allow, and allow the required permissions. And we have also the sync DND with phone. So basically, if you want to synchronize the do not disturb mode from your phone with your watch, you can do it by allowing the permission. And how it works is basically, if you enable the do not disturb mode on your phone, it will also turn on your watch. That's how it works. If you want to use this feature, tap on set and allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on dismiss. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you will see the device page, and we have also another pop-up about the syncing the data. I'm gonna tap on OK, but you can tap on cancel if you want to. And as you can see, we have the device page, we have our watch right here, and we can also use our watch after we go through the tutorial. Like this. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.